You want to know? So here we go. I really like these 4-pack of the purple replacement filters. This is a really reliable and convenient solution for maintaining clean air in my home. And so you have the 4 filters included, so I don't have to worry about looking for and buying replacements constantly. So it's really ideal for long-term use, especially in larger spaces that need continuous filtration. So they fit perfectly in my Morento air purifier, and they're also compatible with the Westhey models. And so I appreciate the multi-layer true HEPA, and they also have the 4-stage filtration, which really enhances the airflow and the air quality. So each filter lasts up to 3,145 hours, which is about 8 to 9 months. So it's easy to stay on top of a filter schedule. And plus, I love the sleek purple design. It really adds a pop of color, and I really like these. They're so functional and they work really well. And now you know.